All right, so we got a weird project today. We have a generator that is sinking in the ground due to varmints, apparently, chipmunks burrowing in. So we have to get this thing out of the dirt somehow and then get something more stable underneath it. So it's kind of a learning experience. This is an 8,000 kW Generac whole house generator. So we got the power shut off on this, and that's the best we can do. We're gonna leave all the lines hooked up if we can. I think we have enough distance, definitely on that line, but hopefully on the gas line that we can just raise it up with it connected, because we don't want to get into all that. So now I gotta find the hole here on the side of the generator. So we gotta get this rod through here somehow. Okay. Boy, it's packed full of crap. Let me go get my crowbar.
You went through the bottom.
Oh, space?
You made space.
We gotta get old Rocco out of the way here. Now we just gotta get those boards out and dig out underneath there, decide what we're gonna do to make that a lot better base for this generator so it doesn't sink in again. We decided to take the 4x4 out so we can have more room to dig. We got all the topsoil out of here now, so we're down to some clay. So now whatever we put here, hopefully will not sink like pea gravel and topsoil mix. Okay, that's almost where we need it. It's good. I got this one out. I walked it in without the board. Push, push, push. call it good. It's a little down in the center, which is fine. I'd rather have it there than on the ends. And as it sits, it'll probably settle more. That looks really good. Oh yeah. One more step. Let's just do one side at a time, I guess. Ready? Okay. Easy. Got it. Kick it out. Lay down. There she is, that beat pouring a slab today. And that's gonna definitely be better than what it was.
Wow, that looks different. You guys had your hands full.
We did.
Wow, that looks great.
Like it?
Yeah.
Well, that's gonna do it for our job today. Getting this generator back where it should be. Yeah, so we got that project done. That's the first time I've ever did something like that with a generator. That went pretty well, a lot better than I thought it was going to go. I had lots of extra wood and bought an extra 4x4. I thought I was going to be doing some like lever action like the Egyptians or something to get that up, but it really wasn't that bad once you got the pipes through it. I think that one weighs maybe around 400 pounds. So I think it came out pretty well. People were happy with it. So hope you enjoyed watching it. We got dehydrated because we didn't bring any water and it was a hot day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.